Today's video is regarding Epson XP 4100 printer, how to set up with your MacBook. Now the first step is to switch on the printer so that we can go to the display panel and be connected with the home or office Wi-Fi. Now this Wi-Fi network we are going to use both for the printer and for the MacBook so that we can use it on the same network. Now first step is to connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. Now we go to the display panel and go to the setting and press OK, and in setting we are looking for network setting and press OK again. Now you can see it says Wi-Fi setup, so press OK, and now on the top we say Wi-Fi recommended, so we are going to do that. Now the next we will see screen is Wi-Fi setup wizard, so press OK. It will search for the available wireless routers, and once we see that, now we press on that and we enter the password. So you will see this screen. Now you enter the password here. Now you will see once you enter the password, it will be saying like connecting to wireless router. So just wait for a few seconds or minute, and once it is connected, then we will go for the next step. You will see in the end it says the wireless setup is complete. So now if you want, you can print a printer status. If not, then you can go ahead. So press dismiss. Now go to the MacBook and type the epson.ca website, and once you open this website, go to the search panel and enter the model number of your printer like XP 4100 and enter. Now here you will see that is the printer is here, and it says in the bottom like support, and click on that, and in this section you will see it's saying like operating system and details, and it will says here driver and utilities package installer. So just click on the download on the drivers and utilities. Now once you see the software installer, just install the software, accept all the terms and conditions. So just go step by step. So in your setup process, when you reach this stage, printer setup, just click on wireless connection, press continue, and select the option. It says the printer is already on my wireless network, so just click on that and it will show, and you can see it says the printer was found, so click OK to proceed. Start network setup. So in the last option it will say add printer, so add. On the screen we can see Epson XP 4100 printer, so click on that, and once it is ready, just click on the add button. Now we'll say it comes up with the print test page. For that, first we need to load the paper, so I'm going to do that. So once we download the paper in the printer, so click on print test page, and you can see the details here. So just press print. Now we'll see on the printer. So in the end we will see this page. It says congratulations, you have successfully installed your new Epson printer. So that's done, and now we can use it for our purpose. Thanks for watching.